Good evening, ma'am. This is the second part of the first video that was uploaded before. This video will be all about explaining the experiment number 10 of C# and .NET Programming Lab. That is the concept of master pages. Now, what is a master page? ASP.NET Master Pages allows one to create a consistent layout for the pages in one's application. A single master page defines the look and the feel and the standard behavior that one wants for all the pages, or a group of pages in one's application. One can create individual content pages that can contain the content you want to display. When the user requests the content pages, they merge with the master page to produce the output that combines with the layout of the master page and the content from the content page. So basically, master page is type of a container which contains the other content pages. Now first I'll run, as I showed you the program before itself, the master page which I have created has the image event. So no matter wherever you go, this image event will be there. Now the master page can be actually created very easily in Visual Studio. Just using predefined functions, the master page will be already ready. Now here, as we have the master page, the extension of the master page is .master. So that differentiates it with all the other ASPX pages. Now as you can see here, there are two parts, that is the head and the body, which has the master page content. So whatever content we need to put in other pages, we have to put it over here, that is between these two lines and between these two lines. So as soon as we connect a master page to another ASPX page, these lines will be already present in that page. I'll be showing you that after I am done explaining this page. Now my master page contains this image source, which is a1.png, that is the event image that you saw just now. That image is consistent throughout all the pages. Now if I open home page, this is the home event. As you can see, yeah, master page file, master page.master, that is the name of the master page file. Now here is the header part, where we can put whatever header we want, which will come under the master page heading, and as well as this is the body, in which we have to keep all the content of this page so that master page can be used or shown in this page. Well, that's all from my side. Thank you.